Hello, friends, and welcome to Pamish Investment Academy. It's been quite some time since the last video, and I hope you guys had a very good time in your holidays. नूतन वर्ष की आपको शुभकामनाएं and let's begin our learning journey once again. Friends, in the past few videos, हमने एक जो इम्पोर्टेंट चेकलिस्ट होती है उसके बारे में बात की एंड देन सर्टन एलिमेंट्स के बारे में बात की फाइनेंशियल एलिमेंट्स विच यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेल अवेयर अबाउट व्हेन यू आर thinking of making an investment in a particular company, right? There are also certain non-analytical factors which come into a decision making when you're investing in stocks, and those are more related to the psychology of the investors. जैसे आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि एक हर्ड मेंटेलिटी होती है व्हेन इट कम्स टू इन्वेस्टिंग. सो what exactly are the working levers of that herd mentality? वो क्यों होता है? वो herd mentality उसको क्यों कहते हैं? वो herd mentality इसलिए कहते हैं because our brains are hardwired to act in certain ways. They are they will respond in a similar manner. Even though we feel that all the individuals are different, their workings, their personalities are different, but when it comes to responding to certain situations, our brains are hardwired to respond in a particular way. So this is covered by behavioral finance. The the study of decision making under certain situations. इसके ऊपर there has been quite a lot of research in recent times, and a very important aspect of the stock market investment is understanding this particular field. It's like knowing your own self when it comes to investing. So we will be talking in the next few videos. We will take up each of these biases, as it is called, or heuristics of investment decision making, and deal with it, try to understand it, and see how it affects our decision making and what are the precautions that we need to take so that these biases and heuristics don't affect our decision making. It's a very important element, friends. मैंने एक बार आपको राहुल द्रविड़ की एग्जांपल दी थी कि टेक्निक होना जितना इम्पोर्टेंट है शायद उससे भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है टेम्परामेंट. So what we are going to talk in the next few videos is about this particular aspect. But today, let's take up somewhat of a lighter subject. Well, if not lighter, at least easier to understand, right? Because from the next videos onwards, we will be talking about more in detail about non-analytical aspects. So today I want to talk about an analytical aspect of a particular stock जिसके बारे में बहुत सारी चर्चा होती है, बहुत सारी बातें होती है, और उस एक इट्स लाइक अ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एक मिस्ट्री जैसा एक है, और वो स्टॉक है आईटीसी लिमिटेड, राइट? सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो इज टू ट्राई एंड जस्ट simplify for you the reasons or the causes of its performance or the absence of it, right? So as you have seen in the last one and a half years, the market tanked and then they reached a particular level. और इस दौरान बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स, बहुत कॉमन है कि ये 3 गुना हो गया और 4 गुना हो गया, you know. Some stocks have even like something like Poshak, for example. Poshak Chemicals from 2000 it has gone up to 12,000. That's 6 times, right? But a well-established company like ITC, what's the reason? Sometimes it's, you know, friends, जिस जिस जो गेम हम खेलते हैं, चाहे वो क्रिकेट हो, फुटबॉल हो, अमेरिकन फुटबॉल, उसके रूल्स आपको पता होने चाहिए कि what are the rules of the game, and then what are the techniques that you have to employ to get the best out of it, right? Similarly in the stock market, you should know what makes a stock become a multi-bagger. What are those elements that make it a multi-bagger? In the bull run, in the bull run, every stock, most of the stock that you will touch, you will get that feeling that it is a multi-bagger because everything is rising. वो बहाव के साथ सब कुछ ही ऊपर चढ़ता है, right? uh, as Warren Buffett has very famously said, it's only when the tide runs out we come to know who has been swimming naked. So वो जब उतार जब जाता है तो पता चलता है कि भाई which were the good companies and which were not. But coming back to ITC, what is the reason for ITC, right? So for a multi-bagger stock or for a high quality stock to achieve to kind of uh, get that fillip in its stock price, it has to have clean accounting, good accounting, which most of you will agree, and this is a fact. As far as corporate governance goes, ITC is a pretty good company. The second thing that is required is leadership in its product segment, and और जो भी सिगरेट मार्केट का आप अगर विश्लेषण करोगे, it's not too wrong to say that ITC is basically the king, right? It's as far as the cigarette market goes, it is the king. Uh, the third is generation of free cash flows, right? वहाँ पे भी आप ITC को कोई fault नहीं कर सकते हो. This is a company which probably throws out 10,000 crores every year, 10,000 crores, right? And it has about 30 to 35,000 crores sitting on its balance sheet. So what is the reason? दोस्तों, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट जो होता है किसी भी स्टॉक प्राइस की मूवमेंट का, वो होता है उसकी ग्रोथ का, अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ, द growth that comes in its earnings, compounded earnings growth. So एक मोटा मोटा रूल ऑफ द थंब क्या है कि अगर आपकी कंपनी की ईपीएस जो है, इफ इट इज ग्रोइंग बाय 20%, ओवर द लॉन्ग रन, your stock price will also compound by 20% CAGR. That's like a rule, like एक मोटा मोटा, right? During the bull run, of course, जो 20% से ग्रो हो रहा है उसकी स्टॉक प्राइस 60% से ग्रो हो जाती है और मोर. बट एक रूल ऑफ द थंब, या तो आप बोल सकते हैं एक काइंड ऑफ मोटा मोटा इस तरह के का आप पकड़ सकते हो. आईटीसी के केस में ये तीनों एलिमेंट है, अच्छी कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस है, लीडरशिप उसके सेगमेंट में है, फ्री कैश फ्लोज है. बट द प्रॉब्लम दैट कम्स इज दैट द डिप्लॉयमेंट ऑफ दिस फ्री कैश फ्लो जनरेट हो रहा है, बट जो बिजनेस की ग्रोथ है या ईपीएस ग्रोथ जो है, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, वो उस तरह की नहीं है कि आप एक 20% प्लस की अर्निंग्स पर शेयर ग्रोथ को सस्टेन कर सके. अगर आप उसकी लास्ट 10 इयर्स की प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के एनालिसिस करोगे तो 2011 में इट वाज समवेयर अराउंड लाइक उनका जो अर्निंग्स पर शेयर था, दैट वाज अराउंड 4.32, around 4.5 or something. In the next 10 years, that is up till March 2021, the earnings per share has increased to 10.69, which is kind of a CAGR of say 9.48%. 9.48%. If you assume the cost of capital for a country like India to be 15%, then that means the growth that is there, the growth that is there is not able to match that requirement of cost of capital, which is 15%. It is just growing by 9% in the last 10 years, 9.5%. If you compare it with the last 5 years, friends, 2016 से लेके 2021, it falls down further to just 6.67% की growth है, EPS growth 6.67% की. So somewhere in 2000 and in 2016 में उनका जो EPS था, that was around 7 point something odd. It was 7.5 or somewhere. Now in come to 2021, after 5 years, it is about 10.5 odd, which gives you a CAGR of just above 6.5%. Now, if you compare it to other companies like Asian Paints or HDFC, these companies are giving an EPS CAGR of more than 15-20%. Page Industries. So you can understand now what is that thing that you have to see in a stock. This element of compounded annual growth rate in earnings per share is a very important factor when it comes to the stock price movement. So what happens with ITC is it has a fantastic ROE in everything. It gives out free cash flow. But the deployment of that extra cash, 35,000 crore दोस्तों बैठी हुई है बैलेंस शीट पे. अगर आपको वो डिप्लॉय करने को नहीं हो रहा है ऐसे बिजनेसेस में जो आपको 20% प्लस की CAGR दे सके EPS लेवल पे, your stock price is surely going to suffer. And and ITC management is very well aware of it, right? Other thing that can happen positively for the stock is if they increase the dividend by manifold. So what that will happen is it will reduce the cash sitting on the balance sheet and it will at least give it back in the hands of the shareholders. So watch out for the ITC stock. If any of this trigger takes place, there may be a re-rating. But till then, it will be very difficult for the stock to kind of move forward. Right, friends? I hope I have been able to shed some light on the non-movement of IT stock, when compared to last 1.5 years, when other stocks have just run up like crazy. So nothing wrong with the company. It is just that, as I said, आप जो गेम खेल रहे हो उसके रूल पता होना चाहिए. And one of the rules or one of the important factors in the stock market is the CAGR at the EPS level for the companies. If it sees a good growth, your company is given that multiple. If not, it will suffer. Well, friends, with that, I end this video and hope to see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.